The innovation idea is to design and develop an augmented reality kit for teaching healthcare students. There is a need to strengthen our healthcare system by having more and more skilled healthcare professionals. With this vision, constant changes are being brought in teaching methodologies and curricular advancement. The healthcare curriculum is vast and complex. Students barely get to learn and have exposure of basic and complex equipment which they will be handling in their respective departments. Training in this real life context is not always possible for reasons of safety, cost, didactics. But there is still a lot of scope of bridging the gap of theoretical and practical knowledge. So, a major question arises is how might we enhance the early clinical exposure for healthcare students by making it more simple, interactive, immersive, consistent, user friendly, and encourage independent learning in order to provide better patient care and improved clinical competencies. Highlighting these pain points, we introduce eClinic X kit that will help in unlocking the potential of early clinical exposure. eClinic X is an interactive learning kit for healthcare students to help them learn medical equipment and devices. The augmented reality application is a free complementary app with a learning kit which is compatible with both iOS and Android. With the proposed application, learning is extended from 2 dimensions to 3 dimensions, which will allow students to learn quicker and better through interactive and animated 3D objects. Students can make mistakes and learn from them without causing any damage or harm to the actual patient. Thus, it is an all rounder learning kit providing advancement to healthcare students' need. The kit is designed in a convenient form so that the students can learn anytime, anywhere. We chose the newer technology of augmented reality, knowing the wide range of advantages seen in the past and also in the literature we studied. Medical education has huge market size nationally and also globally, and it covers the major stakeholders including students, faculties, universities, and institutes. To work out this project, we would require a prototype funding of approximately 1,50,000 rupees. These are the references which we use for this study. Lastly, do connect us for more information about eClinic X.